Hey Tubes, how's it hanging? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. If you're curious on what I'm doing today, I basically want to share with all of you the wire diagram of my homemade pipe lamp and how I wired the switch and the outlet separated to have different functionalities. The light switch controls the light, and the outlet is always hot all the time, means the switch does not control the outlet at all. The switch only controls my lamp itself, should I say, and it's very nice, and I really do like my lamp. It's a very awesome lamp I built a year ago, but you know what, it's been working just absolutely fine. But let's go and take it apart and show you what the wire diagram looks like. And by the way, I use wire nuts to connect the wires together, and it's nothing wrong with using wire nuts. Really, it's not. The wire nuts are very safe to use. But let's go and show you what I mean. Curious of what types of lights I was using for my homemade pipe lamp was basically LED dimmable style light with a compatible LED dimmer. Can be used for incandescents or even CFL bulbs. But I had to modify the switch to able to fit it in this cover, but everything else is still 100% safe. It's all grounded and it works just fine. Let's go and show you what I'm talking about. Hey, you've seen this multiple times, but basically this is my homemade lamp I made a year ago, but I'm going to show you the wire diagram of my pipe lamp itself. You kind of notice here is my ground, my neutral, and my hot. And by the way, it is nothing wrong with using wire nuts. I use these all the time, should I say. How you think I connect all my wires together. And these are all the sockets I use as well. But coming down to the actual main electrical box itself, this is the main unit where everything is connected into. Basically, here is my outlet USB combo, my dimming switch, and also all the wires and stuff. But we're going to talk about that in a couple minutes. This main electrical junction box right here, if you can kind of notice, I have my grounds, I have my neutrals, and I also have my hots. They're all pigtailed and all safe. And you kind of notice I did have to do a modification to my light switch to get it to fit in this light switch cover. But that's okay, that's perfectly fine. Kind of notice everything is electrical taped, safe, and everything. And you kind of notice I do have my neutrals together, my hots, and also my grounds. But this is my main power coming in, getting split off by the wire nut. Means this outlet here is hot all the time, and so is my switch. The switch is hot all the time as well. Means the switch is not controlling the outlet. The switch is controlling my light sockets up there. And it's pretty awesome. And the outlet is independent on its own. Kind of notice I have to have a neutral in this box because why? Because the light sockets require a neutral, and so does my outlets. The only one that does not require the neutral is the actual switch itself. The switch does not need the neutral. This can be used as a three-way switch or a single switch, because remember, this is not a wireless switch. This is just a normal style switch, and it looks pretty good. And there is the wire diagram of my homemade pipe lamp, showing you how I wired it and how it all functions like a normal lamp would. Now, you're gonna say, Chris, how did you split the hot, the neutral, and the ground? Well, that's very simple, should I say. I considered pigtailing it and using wire nuts to actual split those different types of wires together. The hot, the neutral, and the ground. Now, there's nothing wrong with using wire nuts, okay? The wire nuts do have a limit of the max cables can actually fit in the wire nuts themselves. But you can use, I think, a different type of connector, but I don't know what they're called, should I say. But I've seen them before, but I would like to buy a couple of them and try them out, should I say, and see if they're better than wire nuts. But that's the only way I can figure out how to split off the hot, the neutral, and the ground by basically pigtailing the wires together. But the main electrical box, okay, houses everything in it, like the power cable, the switch, and the outlet. The second box up here, if you kind of notice, is only for the sockets themselves, basically. But alright, if you guys enjoy those supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave an awesome comment down below, please like, please share, peace out, we'll hopefully see you in the future vlog, and have a nice day. Catch you in the next vlog.